After all the injuries and work and, well, just movement in general, going from Australia to Europe to the US, Hunter Lawrence can finally say he is a Supercross champion. Obviously, winning last week in 250 East. The question becomes now, does he go 250 West next year, or does he go 450? Who knows? It'd be kind of cool to see Jet win East West and then Hunter win East West. And you gotta say too, for how cool it is for these two to be racing the same series, doing the same thing that they both enjoy, and just, I don't know how to say it, like just the overall, you can tell both of them really do care about it. It's not just like, oh yeah, he's my brother, it's great. Like this is full on, like, awesome to see. I mean, I don't know. To me, it is. It's kind of cheesy, but also just like it's cool. You know, seeing two guys at the top of the sport at their time, doing well, winning, and just being like supportive for each other. And I don't know. I honestly hope to see him do the 250 West next year just to win that other title too. But we'll see what happens. In the comments below, you tell me, what do you think he's going to do? 450s, 250 West, whatever it is. You tell me. Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.